In the Quran, Ali, Fatima, Hassan, Hussein are not mentioned as Ahl-ul Bayt. Let us say they are the first ones included in the concept of Ahl-ul Bayt. Fine. Where do you take that proof from? From hadith. These hadith are not inventions of the Shia. They exist in our authentic sources as well. But where do we find the concept of Ahl-ul Bayt in the Quran? We find it in Surah Al-Ahzab. I want to keep the Ahl-ul Bayt pure from all material and spiritual filth, from evil qualities. Not to clean. If you give it the meaning to clean, I mean as if they were dirty and I want to clean them, be careful. Turkish is very elastic. It distorts things badly. They write Quran translations and make people disbelievers. There are so many translations. This is the problem. Not to clean, but to keep clean. They have remained clean until today. I want the continuation of this, he says. I want to leave them completely pure. With a complete purification, I want to continue their purification, he says. Now, who comes before this? This verse has a before and an after. Right after it, O wives of the Prophet, stay in your homes, do not go out in the streets, he says. And one verse before, O wives of my Prophet, he says. There are no children, no grandchildren, no sons-in-law there. So there is only one verse where the word Ahl-ul Bayt appears. Yes, there is another. I only ask you to love my close relatives as a reward. I do not want money or wealth from you. That is in fil kurba. But the word Ahl-ul Bayt does not appear there. Kurba means nearness, kinship. It is fil kurba. There, even the word owners of, Zawi, is only implied. Those possessing closeness. I mean, fil kurba is there in meaning the ones possessing closeness. Of course, the wives enter there first, and Ali, Fatima, Hassan, Hussein definitely enter as well. But now, is Uthman not close? Is he not a son-in-law? He is a son-in-law through two daughters. So let us not be unjust here. The people of the cloak concept are Ali, Fatima, Hassan, Hussein. Yes, is there a special feature there? There is. Because the Prophet took a cloak. When we say Abba, it was in the old days something made of wool, a bit thick for the cold with broad shoulders. He put that over himself. Then he called Ali, Fatima, Hassan, Hussein, 4 people. He took these 4, 2 to one side, 2 to the other. I mean, I do not know the exact shape, but he took all of them inside that cloak. So we understand from here that this cloak was somewhat wide. He took them into that cloak. Salama, was it? May Allah be pleased with her. One of our mothers who witnessed this wanted to enter it as well. He said to her, do not enter into this now. Allah has already given you the honor of being my wife. You are from the Ahl-ul Bayt, he said. Here he meant, in this specific matter, there is something separate. From this we understand that Ali, Fatima, Hassan, Hussein have a special position within Ahl-ul Bayt. He was saying, in effect, even to our mother, Salama, this honor is sufficient for you, that you are my wife. Fine, but when you look at the verse, you make only Ali, Fatima, Hassan, Hussein, Ahl-ul Bayt, and you do not regard as Ahl-ul Bayt our mothers, whose names alone are directly addressed as Ahl-ul Bayt in the verse. And you slander our mother Aisha. The Quran says Allah wants to keep them pure to maintain their purity. So you are saying Allah wanted this, but it did not happen. What is it that Allah wanted but did not occur? Then you are a disbeliever. You are saying Allah wanted to do this, but it did not work. That means in your mind, Allah is powerless. This is the verse. Before it is about our mothers, after it is about our mothers. There is no son-in-law, grandson or son mentioned. And the hadith you base yourself on, I also call that hadith authentic. Those hadith exist in the sources of Ahl al-Sunnah as well. So what is the problem then? You must accept our mothers. And I have already accepted that part you rely on. But what are you doing, my friend? You say, I do not accept this interpretation. Ali was right in the battles. And we also say that. We say Ali received 2 rewards and our mother Aisha received 1 reward. Later, our mother Aisha would cry until the scarf on her head became soaked. She would be completely drenched. She cried, why did I get into this matter? Why did I go? Why did I go to the battle of Jamal? So she understood her mistake. But that does not prevent her from receiving 1 reward. She went there based on her ijtihad. So what is your problem? What is it? Your problem is you say, Hasha, our mothers are disbelievers. The 3 caliphs are disbelievers. All the companions are disbelievers. Actually, it is you who are the disbeliever because the messenger says they are far from faith. What more should Imam Rabbani say? One who is far from faith. How will such a person be a Muslim?